In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Telegram not showing contacts. If some of your friends or colleagues aren't appearing in your Telegram contact list, don't worry, this walkthrough will help you refresh and rebuild that list using the tools built right into the app. Start by opening the Telegram app. Head into Settings, then choose Privacy and Security. Depending on your device, settings may be on the bottom bar or behind a menu icon in the top corner. Once you are in Privacy and Security, scroll until you see the Contacts section. This is where Telegram manages how it reads and syncs your phone's address book. First, toggle Sync Contacts off. Wait a couple of seconds and then turn it back on. This quick off and on cycle prompts Telegram to recheck your phone book and rebuild its local list. Give it a moment to process if you have a lot of entries. It may take a little longer for everything to appear. If your contacts still aren't showing correctly, use the Delete Synced Contacts option in the same section. This removes Telegram's cloud copy of your contacts, but does not delete anything from your phone's actual address book. After confirming the deletion, toggle Sync Contacts back on again. This forces a clean refresh so Telegram can pull a fresh set of contacts directly from your phone book. Next, verify the contact information in your phone's address book. Make sure each person's number is saved correctly, including the proper country code at the start. The number should match the exact format the contact uses with Telegram. If a contact has multiple entries or old duplicates, clean those up so Telegram sees a single correct number. Also confirm the contact is saved to the account your phone is currently using for its main contacts, not tucked away in a hidden or offline list. Finally, refresh the app, close Telegram completely. Then reopen it so the changes take effect. If the list still looks off, restart your phone to clear any lingering cache and let all background services reload. When your device is back on, open Telegram and check your contacts again. After these steps, most contact visibility issues resolve themselves and your list should repopulate as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.